Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the TPMS on your Audi A3. This process is essential after adjusting tire pressure or replacing a tire. The tire pressure monitoring system helps ensure your safety by alerting you to significant pressure drops. Understanding this simple reset procedure can save you a trip to the dealership and keep your Audi running smoothly. Let's get started with the steps. Before you begin the reset, make sure all 4 tires are inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. You can find this information on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. It's important to have accurate pressure readings for the system to calibrate correctly. Once your tires are properly inflated, park your Audi A3 on a flat, safe surface.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. On another note, quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now turn your Audi A3's ignition on, but do not start the engine. You'll need to access the multimedia interface, or MMI system. Use the MMI controls to navigate to the car menu. Within this menu, you will find an option labeled Tire Pressure Monitoring. Select this to proceed with the reset process. Once you're in the Tire Pressure Monitoring section, look for an option like Store Tire Pressures or simply Reset. Select this option and confirm your choice when the MMI system prompts you. After confirming, you'll need to drive your Audi A3 for a few minutes, typically at speeds above 15 miles per hour, for the system to fully recalibrate and store the new pressure values.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.